Revolve is a special tool used to make parts or features that are symmetrical about an axis. Consider this step shaft. To revolve this, you only need to sketch half the profile. The green line is the axis of revolution and the blue lines are the profile edges. Start a new part in SolidWorks and confirm your unit of measure is IPS. Pick the front plane in the Feature Manager and select a new sketch from the pop-up toolbar. Place a construction line for the part's axis starting on the origin. Complete the step profile using regular lines. Focus on the shape rather than the size at this point. Add smart dimensions. When you want diameters, drag the dimension below the center line before placing it. Continue to add the remaining dimensions. The status bar should read fully defined and all of your lines should be black before proceeding. Pick the Revolve Base tool from the Command Manager. Read the prompt. You do want to automatically close the sketch in this case. Finish the command with the green check mark. Here's another part where Revolve will be helpful. The green is the center line and axis of revolution. Start a new part and confirm your units of measure. Create a new sketch on the front plane. I'll start this sketch away from the origin and place it later, using lines to complete the profile of the sketch. Place a window around all of the lines and move them near the position. Use a coincident mate from the origin and the midpoint. Hold Control to select both items. When you release Control, the pop-up menu appears. Select Coincident. Use Smart Dimensions. Notice you cannot add diameter dimensions. Change the regular line to a construction line. Now add all the smart dimensions until the sketch is fully defined. Pick the Revolve tool and allow SolidWorks to close your sketch. Often, you may require a hole through the center of your part. Just leave an opening between your profile and the center line. Start a new part and confirm your unit of measure. Start a new sketch on the front plane. Use the line tool to create your profile. I will start away from the origin and place it later. Focus on getting all the lines needed for the correct shape. Add smart dimensions. Exit the Smart Dimension tool by right mouse button and picking Select. Next, pick the two short horizontal lines at the top. Remember, you must hold Control button to select multiple elements. Add equal and collinear constraints as shown. Add a construction line for the axis of revolution starting at the origin. Now add the diameter dimensions. We need another collinear here. Align the endpoint of the construction line with the endpoint of your profile with a vertical constraint. Add a construction line from the midpoint of the axis line to the midpoint of the upper horizontal line. Set the new construction line to be vertical. Add equal constraints to these lines and another smart dimension to fully define your sketch. Revolve your sketch to finish.